Smokers, after all the threat by the parents, warning by the doctors, and even the scary pictures that's printed on the cigarette pack, nothing has managed to make them stop smoking. Every single piece of cigarette lighted up means that there's an extra piece of trash is being produced into this world. Once you start looking for one of them, you could notice they are almost everywhere. Cigarette butts accumulated outside of buildings, parking lots, and streets where they can be transported through storm from drains to stream, rivers, and beaches, causing ocean pollution. Ocean pollution, when we hear of these words, what normally comes to our mind are normally based on water bottles, straws, and also other plastic trash. Based on the research done, the two most litter items in the world are actually plastic straws and also cigarette butts. And what comes to us is cigarette butts are reported to be worse for our ocean when it's being compared with plastic straws. Cigarette butts may be small in size, but they are very harmful towards our whole ecosystem and also toward us as humans. Once a cigarette butt is being tossed into the open water, the cigarette butt will discharge unreleased toxin into the open water, and those chemicals found inside the cigarette butts could kill half the fish in a liter of water in just 4 days. And that is just coming from a single cigarette. About 65% of cigarette butts are being dumped irresponsibly by smokers, which could be converted into a total of about 6.9 billion of liters on the planet. By following the food chain, after the fish are being caught with various toxin and chemical in it, we bought it from the market and consume it. By consuming it, the chemical could accumulate in our body and pose a health risk to us humans, such as damage to our central nervous system and worse, cancer. Instead of stopping or changing the smokers' attitude from littering their cigarette butts in the street, we offer a solution. Introducing Karma. Butts to butts. We in Karma had decided to take a small step in saving our planet, one cigarette at a time. Every cigarette butts are handmade without chemical from fruit pulps, vegetable extract, and is being embedded with seeds from both flowering plants and also herbs. Here are some of the product that is produced by Karma. First of all, we have Karma Original, which will grow into vegetables and herbs such as spinach, basil, rosemary, amaranth, thyme, and millet. Coming up next, Karma Flora, which will bloom into flowers such as daisy, wildflower, and Chinese aster. Finally, an unreleased product of the Karma series, the Karma Strawberry. This Karma cigarette butt is going to be released to the public by the end of 2019. Now, let's move on to the process. In order to produce a single cigarette butt, a special and patented process is needed, and it requires Karma to work on multiple different layers. Every single sheet of Karma unique cotton paper have 3 different layers, and it is done with a thickness of about 3 to 7 grams per square meter. Each layer is placed accordingly on top of each other in order to cover the seeds to protect them from nicotine when the cigarette is burning. It's a very tough handmade process in order to produce a single cigarette butt so that it could be used to save the environment. With the help of Karma, smokers now do not have to throw their cigarette butts in the ashtray or the dustbin. Instead, all they have to do now is just to stick them in the soil or just chuck them into an open field so that the seeds in the cigarette butt could sprout into many different wonderful plants.